Hey, what's going on everyone? Hope you guys had a good Christmas. I'm back again after a mini hiatus with another video. Sorry I haven't had a chance to upload in a very long time. I was actually studying and, doing projects 24/7 for maybe the last 3 weeks of my last semester at Zoom University. Right now my sleep schedule is actually all messed up. I used to be a morning person getting up at 7 or 8 a.m. And now that the semester's over, dude, I cannot even get up before 9. And it's crazy. I keep on getting up at sorry, I keep on getting up at noon, and it's a bad habit to be honest. I think I'm a degen now. I sleep at degen hours and wake up at noon. School got me kind of messed up. Haven't had a chance to catch up on my favorite series, sadly. But, I actually got a chance to catch up on Right Stuff's holiday sale, which I have a crazy haul coming soon, so stay tuned for that. All right. For the life updates and the rant and just the sad vibes I'm giving. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make yourself like your own manga board so you can hang it up on the wall and show off your favorite series to anyone who sees it.
Yes, you're doing it! Stay with it!
Making a manga board is fairly easy and doesn't really take too long of a time commitment. I'd say like 45 minutes tops. So feel free to reference back to this video as I show you guys how I go about making it. Alright, here we are at the drawing board on how I show you guys how to make a manga board through the simple equation. Alright, first up we're going to need canvas board. It's got to be a white canvas. You can find this at Michael's. I got mine pretty cheaply. Mine is actually an 18 by 24, so that's what's up. Next, you combine this bad boy with some Mod Poggers glue. Finally, the last step to this equation is your manga offering. The more meaning behind a volume, the better. And you just got to make sure the manga isn't yellow or else your board is just going to look like an old newspaper and that feels bad in the end. I mean, a white canvas on yellow paper, ugh, dude, it won't look that good. Bam! You have the manga board now from this easy equation. Alright, repeat after me. Canvas plus Mod Poggers plus manga equals manga board. Alright, you feel smarter now? Bet. Let's go make the manga board now. Alright, so what you gotta do now with the manga you selected, you just gotta give it a little bit of prep work by giving it the good old flash ignite combo so that all the pages fall out cleanly. Let me show you a demo. So for the rest of the video, me and my girlfriend are going to show you the process and the final results. Alright, where's the music at?
What you offering? Another money mind. Oh, you wanna rob me blind? Well, I don't know this time. Oh, don't want it just a liar. Don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Been listening to my heart. It's leading me from the dark. Tell me what to choose. Don't wanna trust a liar. Don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Listening to my heart. It's leading me from the dark. Tell me what to choose. Tell me what to
The time of making this video, it was Christmas time. My girlfriend came over to help me celebrate, and she actually brought her favorite manga book over as well, The Case Study of Vanitas. I ended up giving her this masterpiece of art because, your boy's a gentleman here. No, it's not the full reason why, I'm just joking. No, it's mainly because, like, yo, I literally roasted her book alive. It's completely destroyed. She got nothing left now. So she deserves something out of it. And like she deserves another gift, primarily because she's been good to me all year. Overall, making this board was super fun, and trust me, it looks better in person hanging on a wall. And if you guys do make one, be sure to share the picture with the brand new Instagram that I created specifically for this channel at ThomasWinn-YT. In my first YouTube video, I literally linked my personal Instagram. What a rookie mistake. Nah, like, no, but I'd rather just keep things separated. And the boards make for good pictures and decorations, and I'd be thrilled to actually be able to see what you guys come up with. And my board's not even perfect, and I'd like to improve my boards based on the ideas you guys share. Last but not least, Happy New Year's, everyone. Shout out to all the college students who made it through Zoom University. We finally got through 2020, and hopefully 2021 has great things in store for all of us. Did you guys create New Year's resolutions, by the way? Well, my plan for this channel in 2021 is to hopefully stay manga related while throwing in some coding tutorials for you all. And I'm sure you'll all love it and maybe have some use for them. Who knows? Anyways, stay tuned, guys. There's a lot of exciting content that I have planned for the new year. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next year. Peace.